1, 2, 3, 4. And now it's in sync. Okay. This is the sound of my heartbeat. This is a live ECG reading, and I am irrelevant. What is relevant is that at this point in history, we have enough scientific information from multiple fields to heal a majority of cognitive disorders. Through movement, nutrition, and mindfulness, we each have the power to change a lot about ourselves in the ways we wish. In this channel, I'll be presenting our options based on the latest research. Whether it's ADHD, complex post-traumatic stress disorder, depression, schizophrenia, autism, addictive behaviors, anxiety, specific forms of dementia, many of these symptoms are possible to decrease or even completely remove so many symptoms that it would no longer qualify the person as having the disorder. I'm so excited to share this information with you, and I hope it brings you balance, peace, stability. It's possible to heal so many parts of ourselves. It's hard work to get there, and most people will fail. It's up to you to attempt to go against the odds. I don't want others to go through the pain that I did. I don't want other people to die like my grandmother did. So I'm here to help you synthesize the science and make daily choices that will help you or your loved ones with cognitive disorders. My name is Matt Griffo, and this is for you, Grandma. Memento mori, memento vivere. November 26, 2020.
Yeah.
Here we are.
What's that?
My phone.
Oh, it's a man and a woman.
That's you.
That's me. With who? With me. Give me a kiss.